Hi! In this video I want to talk about hydrochloric acid and its importance to maintain an overall healthy state, as well as how to identify an imbalanced stomach in the iris. Stomach acid in general plays an important role to prevent bacterial and fungal overgrowth, to guarantee the assimilation of nutrients like, for example, calcium, magnesium, iron, B12, zinc and copper, as well as to metabolize protein and ensure a proper bowel function. Very few people develop an overactive stomach, which shows up in our eyes as a bright ring around the pupil, like we can see, for example, here, here, or here. But at age 40% of people have an underactive stomach, which we can identify in our eyes by the appearance of an accompanying shadow around the pupil border, like we can see in every case here, like here, for example, here, here, and very clearly in this case. So even though we can see a bright ring around the pupil like in this example, the addition of the shadow around the pupil border means that the stomach is underactive. This indicates a lowered function of the parietal cells of the stomach, which are responsible for the production of hydrochloric acid, as well as the so-called intrinsic factor, which is crucial for the metabolism of B12. Low stomach acid production can lead to malnourishment, indigestion, food allergies, bloating, a burning stomach around 30 minutes after meals, fatigue, depression, or anemia, amongst many other conditions. If you are suffering from any of these symptoms and you would like to learn more about their origin and how to overcome them in the most effective and natural way, then I would love to provide you with an iridology reading, which you can book on my website fruitfulsolution.com. Please leave me a heart if you enjoyed this video, and I'll create more content about iridology.